told me before I poured. Why are you here? Just being polite. You seem like a calm, reasonable person. Are you? A calm, reasonable person. If the moment calls for calm, I'd say the moment calls for calm. Yeah.
You know who I am? Back before winter set in, there were some misunderstandings. Regrettable ones. But I think we all have a better idea of who we're dealing with. Now, what you did to his boys. Self-defense. Dying is what we Aesir live for. And let's be honest, they were kind of useless. But Baldur, he had value. He was my best tracker, my closer. Yeah, his mind was gone, sure. But he had his uses, and now he's gone because of you. You follow me? You have a debt. You're no fun anymore.
What do you want?
How about peace? How does peace strike the esteemed, retired god of war? How about we just don't kill each other? How about you stay home, kick up your feet, seek no quarrel with me, and I'll have none with you. Of course, it means that one has to stop his search for Tyr.
Yeah. We know what you're up to. Stop it.
Tyr's old ways are dead. He is dead. You understand? And then that's it. Then we're square. Shit, I'll even sweeten the deal. I'll let you keep the prisoner that I know you stole. That's right. I know you're in here somewhere, you silver-tongued little shit.
Why should we believe a word of you? What have your promises ever been worth?
There he is, my old partner in crime.
He's lost weight.
If he tells you snow is white, he's lying.
What kind of wisdom is that? Can't the smartest head alive see past himself? See that we all want the same thing? All right. Here's a deal I know you can trust. I'll settle your debt with my ex. Keep Freya off your back. Keep your boy safe. It's really all you want, isn't it? So what do you say?
No.
Don't take all day.
I've been waiting for this. You're not from here. We got a tradition called a blood payments. It means I get a piece of you for what you took from my family. You'll pick it up.
That was for Boulder. Now show me this god before I hurt somebody. That's all?
You were finally showing it.
I can't fight without your axe.
Coward! I did not seek that fight with your brother. I don't care.
You insult me holding back like this.
You know my past. The ghost of Sparta thing? Yeah. Then no not capable of. Show me!
Now we got us a fight. How were you ever a god? I was hoping to see your blade. Guess they don't come with you all. You should be better than this. You're fucking hopeless. You spit on my son's memory. I can't believe they lost it to you. Afraid to get your hands dirty? Let me see the monster inside. That's the match. Sorry about your statue, Tear, you preachy old. If you're not fighting dirty, you're not fighting right.
One struck first. Good.
Stop holding back! This is the god that murdered a pantheon because they heard him stealing. Nice try! Now we're talking! Did my son die blind fucking luck?
Come here, become a daddy, get a clean slate. That ain't how it works. You're a destroyer, like me. Oh no. I say when we're
I'm not leaving till I see the real. Get up! This is removing!
You put him last, even in death.
The fuck you say?
Only sought out in fear of you. He died of the wounds you gave him.
Oh, you bottle fucker! This feels familiar.
What?
Don't matter. I can give a hot shit about your fatherly advice. I want to see the god of war. Tell me who you are.
I see why my sons fell to you. You missed lesser version of you. But I am not my sons. And your boy, Allfather, have plans for him.
There he is.
There's the god of war. Consider your blood debt paid.
Told you you'd make it.
Kratos, it's Sindri and Brock. That was quite a fight. Can we...
Oh, now! Odin is with Atreus.
Oh no. I'll go get a gateway ready.
Come on.